Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned enchilada sauce taste better. First, select a high-quality canned sauce as your starting point. Next, sauté 1/2 cup of finely diced yellow onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant. This simple step adds a fresh, aromatic depth. Then, stir in about 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth to slightly thin the sauce and enhance its overall richness. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for a more complex flavor profile. To elevate the flavor, introduce a blend of spices. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano to the simmering sauce. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a pinch of cayenne pepper or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce will provide a pleasant warmth. Don't forget a small amount, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, of smoked paprika. It offers a wonderful smoky depth that truly transforms the sauce. For a richer, more profound sauce, consider adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. It provides a concentrated tomato essence and thickens the sauce slightly. A surprising but effective ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder or a small square of dark chocolate, which adds incredible depth and a subtle bitterness that balances the other flavors. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, about 1 teaspoon, brightens the entire sauce, cutting through the richness and adding a zesty finish. Once all your enhancements are added, allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step permits all the new flavors to fully meld and develop. Before serving, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings. You might need a pinch more salt or even a tiny bit of sugar to balance any acidity. Your now deliciously enhanced enchilada sauce is ready to transform your next meal, whether it's classic enchiladas or another creative dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.